Tony, it's the Monday morning, it's another beautiful day. Look at that beautiful sunshine out there. Now what we're doing here, we're actually now going to start stripping all of this wall. If you follow me through here, into here, we've got this wall here. This is also going to come off today, stroke tomorrow. But what we do know, behind that wall, these doors, hopefully will slide into this channel here. Obviously you've got to move some electric cables inside here. But hopefully, fingers crossed, once we've done the repair, we can get these doors up and running again, which will be beautiful. We've now uncovered all of this stud work. Now, what we have found is that we've got all of this beautiful old coding up here. It's been left in, which is absolutely awesome news for us. We've got these big gas pipes running down here. And then obviously we've uncovered this beautiful archway here. I mean, it's just obviously got a lot of cables all wrapped up out of the way. And then the other amazing thing that we found, this beautiful staircase underneath all this beautiful moulding that we can see. Now, if I come down here, you can actually see this amazing open mitered string. It's all done in stone. So you see this beautiful mould underneath here, so we're going to clean and soda blast all these up. The only thing we have found that we've got to do a repair on, this wreath handrail here at the bottom, we've got to do some work on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to break the joint at the top here and then put a new piece of sapele running all the way down. And what we're going to do is talk to somebody and find out who can make this step or do some kind of repair detail on here. So it looks like a blue limestone to me, that does, but obviously we can confirm that with the stonemason chap when he arrives next week, see what he says. What we are now starting to do is stripping all this cabling off. Now as you come up the staircase here now, you can see absolutely loads and loads of cables. Now all these cables are hiding a beautiful mould of the staircase, so as we start to rip these off, you'll see this lovely mould on the top of the string line. Now we've actually got the coding guy who came on Friday. He's going to do an actual wax mould of this, so we're going to put one over here, and then I'm going to put a further two over here. So you've got one on here and one on here. You can actually see there used to be on there originally, look, you can see the outline just here, can't you? That's some funky paper going on there, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Absolutely love doing this stage of the build when we're ripping stuff out, uncovering stuff. You can watch the time lapse and see you soon. As you can see here, we took the first layer of plasterboard off, and then you've got this beautiful paper behind. I think this is a board, a hardwood board, look. And then we've got 4x2, old 4x2 stud right there. And it looks like we've got the same on the other side. So hopefully this won't be a structural wall, which would be pretty cool. Obviously we can leave then the detail up there. So guys, as you can see, we've had a really good day so far. We've stripped out all this elevation here, stripped out the back, but we've had an exciting find up in this corner. What we have here is this amazing paper that's behind this stud-work here. So if I gently pull this out, and you can actually see, look at that guys. Is that pretty amazing or what? That's so super cool to find something like that, which is the original. So this, if you can imagine, it would have gone all the way around this perimeter edge. You can see here some of the old paper, years of old. I'm going to take that delicately down now. And the other thing we found with this, you've got this detail that's come off at the bottom here. Looking at the way it's come off, I think that was like that. But how beautiful is that, guys? I mean, pretty special, isn't it, when you find things like this? We found this beautiful old lace purse earlier today. We just found this now. It might be gold leaf. See that there? I mean, pretty special. Probably isn't gold leaf, but it's I think it's called an incruster.
So, the grand opening, are they gonna move? That's the question. So, Pete, you got the other side? Start with this door first, mate, yeah? Beautiful. So guys, as you can see, they still work. These doors probably haven't been opened up for the last, I don't know, easily 60, 70 years. So that's pretty cool to know that these doors still work. So it shows they made stuff to last, didn't it?
What they've got is these hinge reveals. So you see them here being hinged here? So when you want to pull these doors out, you move them like this, you pull this flap out. And obviously look at that void in there. Oh, look at that. Pete's got his torch. So you can see in there, guys, look at that reveal. And there's the runner there. Look, you see that runner, guys, there, look. Now, obviously that's been put in place so the door's got something to run on. That's really cool, isn't it?
Guide into that groove there. There you go. That there, look, with this. It allows us then to push that then too, like that, you see? Like that. How cool is that? Obviously, it's got a lot of paint on it and everything else at the moment, but we can then take all these off, clean these all up because it won't be too difficult to get into there, look. Couple of hinges in there and do the screws, get these all really cleaned up beautifully, and then get these running absolutely smooth. So, and the same with the side here, you can actually see, pull this mechanism out. So, there we go. And same here, look, got another flap here, same side. You see in there, guys, look, there's the other pocket, but that's the steel runner, you see it here? They've recessed it in to this point here, look there. So you can actually see there's the slotted screw that's holding this down. So all these years and years, you can see all the rubbish in there, so we've got to get all that out. There's the old lime mortar in there. Obviously there's the pocket already done. Look, you see this reveal here? This was designed for handles and things like that. So when you pull that back, or you get your hand in and pull the door mechanism probably, I don't know. It looks like that to me. Never come across anything like this before. So what we'll do, we'll give this all a good clean down, and then we can get all the dust and all the cobwebs off this, and then we can obviously get it running a little bit better. Cool.